Hello guys, welcome back to the daily forex. So into this video I'm going to be demonstrating a very easy strategy that you can trade boom and crash and make profit from this strategy. Okay, so in this video we're going to be using just two indicators, which is going to be the awesome oscillator and the moving average. Okay, so you take just 6 candles at a level of 1.5 using the awesome oscillator. So you go to the indicators right here, you click on main windows and you look for the awesome oscillator. Okay, look at it right here, and you set the levels. If you add levels, the first levels you put 10, the second levels you put 7, and the third level you're gonna put 5 right here. And the pixel color you set it to black. Okay, you set it to black, and the pixel you put on 2 pixel and you click on done, as you can see right here. Then the volume up should be green, right? You put it on 2 pixel, and the volume down should be the same, and you click on done. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like. Okay, then the second indicator which we're gonna use is the moving average. Okay, we're gonna use the moving average. Then you set it to default. Okay, period 2 shift 0. Then the method is going to be applied to exponential right here. Okay, then you apply to close as well. By the style should be on 2 pixel, the color is going to be on black, as you can see right here. Okay, then you leave the levels blank, then you click on done. Okay, so these are the two indicators we're going to be using with this strategy. Okay, now with this strategy you're going to take 6 candles in a downtrend and 4 candles in an uptrend. Okay, so total of 10 short candles with this easy strategy. Okay, so the first thing, you zoom to the third zoom level. Now this is the first zoom level. You zoom, this is zoom 1, 2, 3. Okay, as you can see, is third zoom level, guys, as you can see. So now what you want to take note of on the downtrend right here at this point, so when you see a red line, when you see a red trend right here, you wait with this strategy, you wait until you see a downtrend. So after a downtrend, then when you see a downtrend which is green, as you can see the color of the awesome oscillator right here, it was red, then it changes to green. Once it changes to green, you take 6 candles. Okay, you take 6 candles once it changes to green, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you sell and you take your profit. Okay, then when it reaches the level 2, right here, no, it's gonna spike on the next trend. Okay, so the next trend is gonna be red, or it's gonna be a green candle. If it's gonna be a red candle, it's gonna spike right here, or it's gonna be a green candle. Okay, so notice right here at this very point, at the level -2, you sell and you take your profit after 6 candles, guys. After 6 candles you take your profit. Then once you notice the trend, if this green line creates an uptrend, if it creates an uptrend, you wait until it reaches the level 1.7. okay, the level 1.7, then you take just 4 candles. If it doesn't reach level 1.7, do not take any candles. Okay, if the line, you see this line right here, this green line at this very point, it didn't reach to level 1.7, now you need to use this indicator, this indicator I'm using right now to demonstrate. You need to use it to mark the 1.7. okay, you can see 1.7 right here at that very point. Look at it, 1.7. look at this third line, which is 1.7. so let me show you what I'm talking about. So you see, once the line, this third one, it reaches 1.7, you see it reaches 1.7, this line right here reaches 1.7. once you reach 1.7, you can take just 4 candles. You take just 4 candles. You say, remember, you take 6 candles in a downtrend. Then once the uptrend color changes to green and it reaches the level 1.7, you take just 4 candles after. Okay, now let's assume you took 6 candles from this downtrend at this point, then this uptrend changes to green, then you wait until it reaches level 1.7. Okay, the line has to grow and reach 1.7 before you take just 4 candles, guys. Take just 4 candles. Now take a look at this. Okay, now you see right here at this very point, you see you take just 6 candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then you wait. Okay, you wait. Once it reaches the level 1.2, you sell. Then you wait until it creates an uptrend of a green. Then that green uptrend has to reach 1.7. You take just 4 candles. Okay, you take just 4 candles after 1.7. 1 2 3 4. Now the reason why I said you should take just 4 candles in an uptrend is because once it created a red trend, it's going to spike. Okay, if you created a red trend is going to spike. Okay, you can see at this very point right here, it spikes within a red trend. Now this signal is not going to give you a signal when it's going to spike. Okay, but it's going to show you a signal to take a candles. Okay, it's going to show you a signal to take a candles, but it's not going to show you a signal to take a spike. Okay, I studied this strategy before I implemented it. I'm showing you guys how you can do this strategy. Okay, so when you see a small trend like this, you wait until the trend lines goes to a higher level before you trade. Okay, you look for a better entry position before you trade. Okay, now let's go to Boom 500 and see how we can implement the same strategy on Boom 500. Okay, now we just implemented this strategy using the awesome oscillator in Crash 500, and I'm going to use the same strategy to show you that you can do this on Boom 500 index. Okay, now you see this is the first zoom level, 2 and 3. Okay, now this is the third zoom level. Remember, we're using the 10th zoom level with this strategy. Now you see on Crash 500 it was the green line, but on Boom 500 we're going to be using the red line. Okay, the green line is the line you use to catch spike, while on the red line, the line you want to use for an entry. Okay, to get your 6 candles in a downtrend, and on the uptrend you get 4 candles, right? Okay, now let's get started. Now when you see a trend that started with green and once it initiated a red line which goes down, you take just 6 candles. Okay, you take 6 candles. You take just 6 candles. After 6 candles, you wait until it spikes. So when it spikes, it's going to change the color to green. So after it changes its color to green on the Boom 500, then you wait until it turns red. Now when it turns red, you take just 4 candles. Okay, you take 4 candles, then you wait until it shows you a downtrend, then you take 6 candles on a downtrend. But with this strategy, you can use this strategy more to your advantage on Crash 500 because it's a lot easy on Crash 500 than Boom 500. Okay, so I believe you understand what I've said in this strategy. So I want you guys to study this strategy and study the market chart before you implement the strategy. Okay, so if you find value in this video, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can see more videos from the daily Forex. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.